guys, welcome to Planning with Crystal. So today's unboxing is OK Beauty Box, but it's going to cover about 3 months. So I have got here the OK Beauty Box for March, for April, and I've got all of the details about the May box. So we're going to chat through those. So OK Beauty Box is a UK beauty subscription. I pay for it myself. It costs £15 a month, but you can usually get a discount on your first box and get it for £7.50. So that's pretty good. One thing I really like about OK Beauty Box, as well as tending to be pretty good beauty boxes at not too high a cost, you can also view on their website. In fact, I think they email you before your next box goes out to find out what's in that box. So if you don't like it, you can skip it or you can cancel or whatever. So I think that's really good. Whereas some beauty boxes, once you're signed up, you just keep getting the box. You've got no idea. It might turn up and you might be like, this is just not for me. What a waste. So it's nice that you do have that option. So we're going to dive in. We're going to start unboxing because we've got a bit to go through. So the first little edit we're going to go through is the treat time edit, which, as I understand it, was for March 2023. You also get in every box a couple of vouchers for 2 OK magazines. So I've never actually redeemed them, but you know, they're there if you want to. So this particular month's little collection contains a variety of products. Let's see what we've got. So first of all, we've got the Monu Skin Micellar Water multi-mineral complex for all skin types. It says multi-mineral complex of magnesium, zinc and copper to re-energize the skin and help promote radiance and a natural glow. So basically it's micellar water, but you can spray it directly onto your face or onto a cotton pad. I use micellar water to remove my makeup. I like the Bioderma one, but this one is actually quite good. I've used it before. Now, this retails at £26.95 for this 180ml full size, so it's worth way more than the box. I don't know if I'd pay that much for it myself personally. It's quite a lot of money for a micellar water, but you know. So that is the first one. So it's all about removing makeup, and it's Monu Skin, who make really nice skincare. Then we have got a full-size moisturiser. This one is by Skin Chemists, and it's the Youth Series Green Caviar Day Moisturiser. Green Caviar. So this is a 30ml or 1.01 fluid ounce, and what does it tell us about it? Well, it's worth £24. Sorry, it's not a full size, it's a travel size. This excellent everyday moisturiser hydrates, protects and perfects all skin types. The lightweight yet nourishing formula treats your skin with key ingredients bakuchiol, glycerin and green caviar extract, a seaweed rich in minerals and amino acids to leave skin feeling healthy and happy. And it's supposed to boost skin's elasticity and reduce signs of aging. It locks in moisture, it's got a lightweight texture that's quickly absorbed into the skin. Then we've got a little product. This one is from Aromatherapy Associates, and it is their Sleep Mist, Deep Relax Sleep Mist. Deep Relax Sleep Mist, I've got to say, is probably the most effective sleep mist ever. It works. It will send you into a deep sleep. And do you know what? I actually haven't been sleeping very well, and I haven't been getting much deep sleep either, according to my watch. My tracker watch thing. I don't know if it's telling me the truth, but if it is, I'm really not getting quality sleep, which would actually go along with the fact that I feel tired all the time. But anyway, so this is actually worth £22. No, it's not, it's £23, it's gone up, because I have bought this before. It's made in the UK, it's 10ml, and it's a little spray. So you can spray this on your bedding, on your curtains, in the air, wherever you want to spray things, and it's supposed to help you sleep, and this scent, for me, works. It says Aromatherapy Associates blends of essential oils really do seem to have effects on your mood. This one combines grounding vetiver with soothing chamomile and sandalwood into a dreamy, snooze-inducing bedroom scent. Spritz over pillows, bedding, or the body. Oh, you can do it on the body as well. Before getting into bed, then take a deep breath to really feel the full effects of the oils. Well, there's tonight's plan. Then we have got some under eye masks. These are from Avant, home of overpriced skincare. I've never actually used these under eye masks, to be fair. They're hydrogel, which is my preferred kind of under eye mask. You know, like the kind of silicone-y feeling things. They just seem to adhere better, and yeah, I just like them. Anyway, it says collagen, aloe vera, hyaluronic lavender oil. Is that hyaluronic lavender oil, or is it hyaluronic and lavender oil? I don't know. Glycerin, vitamin C, allantoin, age radiance, Hydrobright collagen eye restoring pads. So it says they're worth £12, which, to be fair, for a lot of other brands like 111 Skin, that's what they charge for something like these. These indulgent under-eye masks soaked in collagen-rich serum are just the thing to use before or after a big event. Keep them in the fridge for extra perky powers. It says it intensely hydrates the under-eye area, it plumps fine lines and minimises the appearance of dark circles and puffiness, and provides a smooth base for makeup. So there you go. I will be trying them out. And then finally for this particular box, we have got a product from... Who makes this product? Oh, Sanctuary Spa. It doesn't look like Sanctuary's packaging, which just completely confused me then. So this is the Melting Pearls Body Butter 7-Day Moisture Argan Oil Pearls Sweet Amber and Oud Scent 75ml 2.53 fluid ounce US. It actually does smell oudy. Oudy. Doesn't smell like an oudy. It just smells like that kind of exotic fragrance type scent. If you know oud, you'll know what I mean. It's a 7-day moisture. I always think, is somebody really not showering for 7 days? Or does it keep moisturising you when you're having a shower? I like to overthink things. So this is a travel size worth £4.50. It says treat your limbs with this luxurious new body cream which contains pearls of encapsulated argan oil that diffuse and sink into the skin upon application. The fragrance is a sensual combination of sweet amber and oud. It says it deeply nourishes dry skin, it's suitable for all skin types, and it's vegan friendly and leaves a lasting fragrance. I definitely think it would do that. So what do we think of the March edit? So this is the Treat Time edit. Personally, I think this is well worth £15. You've got that really good quality Aromatherapy Associates sleeping spray. You've got the micellar water, you've got a moisturiser, you've got a body moisturiser, you've got under eye masks. It all depends what you are into and what you enjoy, but for me, this was a good edit. Okay, now we're on to the April OK Beauty box. Let's see what's in store for this one. Again, a voucher for a couple of OK magazines. And this month's theme is All About You edits. That's what we're calling this one. And it's got a few pretty exciting products in it. So where to start? We will start with this. It's by Pixie. And it's the Milky Remedy Mask Soothing Toning Jelly, 10 fluid ounce, 300ml. This is huge! I've never seen such a big face mask. It's absolutely massive. It's also got a little spatula there on the side. Hopefully that's coming up on the camera there. So it looks like it clips in place. So you've got a spatula so you're not like digging your hands in, which I think is a really clever little touch. So this is exciting. It's really, really heavy. I mean, how long is this going to last? That's my concern. And you don't usually... It's not usually something people worry about, Crystal. Usually people are like, that's so tiny, but look how big it is. That's good. I know it's good. It's huge. So anyway, it's a full size, unsurprisingly. It's worth £20. It says if you want a mask to smooth and soothe your skin in one, you'll love this. It contains a blend of coconut, oat, chamomile and sea buckthorn to quench thirsty skin and target redness. Apply a thick layer morning or evening as needed. Leave on for 10 minutes, then rinse or tissue the mask off. Expect a quick and convenient at-home treatment to calm, nourish and hydrate. It's suitable for all skin types and the formula is paraben-free and not tested on animals. So there you go, first out the box, and it's worth more than the box cost. So, a good start. Then we've got a product from a spa, which is a pretty kind of fancy spa type skincare brand. This is the Triactive Regenerating Moisture Complex. I am pretty certain I've used this before and it's a nice moisturiser. So this is a travel size 15ml. It's worth £19. This ultra rich cream puts bounce back into the skin. It also addresses the signs of aging from wrinkles and lines to dullness. It features plant and marine based actives to resurface and rejuvenate, supporting the skin's natural renewal process. Apply the cream to fingertips and tap into your face, neck and décolletage before smoothing in gentle upward strokes until it's fully absorbed. It says a proven formula for plump, supple, glowy skin. In independent trials, 90% of testers said their skin was instantly nourished after one application, and after 4 weeks the same percentage saw more refined skin tone and texture. Then we have got a supplement. Now I know supplements divide people in beauty boxes and I completely get it. For some people you won't be able to take a supplement and it's like, well, what do I do? You've given me something I can't even use, and that is kind of frustrating. For me personally, depending on what it is, I may or may not be excited. In this instance, I'm excited. It's from 8 Greens. So I have used 8 Greens products before. They're recommended by people like Caroline Hirons, who seems to know what she's talking about in the skincare world. And they're basically a supplement type vitamin product, but they are supposed to also improve skin and stuff as well. This particular one, it's the 8 Green Skin Effervescent tablets, and these particular ones have got marine collagen and biotin, all of which are obviously really good for your skin. They've got a natural apple tea flavour. Use simply the little tablets, and almost like if you've ever had I don't know, an effervescent tablet of any type, paracetamol, whatever it is, it looks like one of those, but maybe a bit green. And you just drop it into your water, let it dissolve and drink it. And actually the other version of this that I've had, it was an 8 Greens product, but it wasn't this particular one. It tasted really nice. It just tasted like a kind of fruit juice type taste. So I'm guessing this will if it's an apple tea flavour. This tube is worth $15.99, so they are a pretty pricey product as well. That is £1.59 every time you have a tablet, isn't it? Get your greens the easy way with these dissolvable effervescent tablets. The drink, hailed as a facial in a glass, also contains marine collagen and biotin. Drop a tablet into 240 ml of water, wait as it fizzes, then sip and enjoy. The drink is designed to tackle aging, promote skin elasticity and reduce acne. It's gluten-free, has 10 calories and tastes like apples. So that sounds good. So I'm personally very excited. I appreciate not everybody will be able to take it. Here is the kind of ingredients and stuff we've got going on in here as well, if you wondered. So it's got green tea, broccoli, aloe vera, kale, collard greens, spinach, peppermint, alfalfa, marine collagen and biotin. Pop, drop, fizz and sip. I've never tried these exact ones, but like I said, other 8 Greens products have been awesome, so I'm looking forward to it. Then we have got a little nail varnish. This is from a brand called Nail HQ. Nail lacquer. I've never heard of this particular brand before. Please let me know if you've ever seen this in the shops anywhere. It's 10 ml full size worth $6.99, and it says it's a lucky dip, so it will depend on which shade you're sent. I have got mocha. It says lucky dip time. Your box will contain a Nail HQ nail lacquer in one of 3 trending neutral colours. You'll either get espresso, a deep dusty pink, mocha, which is what I've got, a cool toned stone shade, or latte, a soft muted pink. For best results, prep with a base coat, then apply 2 coats, waiting 2 to 3 minutes between each coat to allow it to dry. Seal with a top coat to protect your polish. It says they feature a richly pigmented formula that's silky smooth to apply and gives a glossy, high shine finish, and all products are cruelty free. Then we have got another product in a little baggie. So this is by Corres. It is the Renewing Body Cleanser. Santorini Grape is the scent. Oh, it smells nice. So it's 40 ml or 1.35 fluid ounce. It says renew and hydrate. It's worth £2.40. It's a travel size, and it says add power to your shower with this gel to foam cleanser that uses activated aloe extract, wheat proteins and marshmallow root to lock in moisture as it cleanses. Create a rich lather, then rinse away. In user tests, 100% saw an instant improvement in hydration. 100%? Really? Last but definitely not least, we've got a product from Figs and Rouge. This is the Ginseng Overnight Eye Mask with vitamin A, licorice and mulberry. It's made in the UK, it's vegan, it's got ginseng, vitamin A, it's got licorice, it's got mulberry, and yeah, it looks good. It's also PETA approved, so cruelty free, vegan, 1% for the planet, all that good stuff. This is a full-size eye mask, 25 ml, worth £38, and it says as you sleep, this retinol, mulberry and licorice formula will tackle the look of fine lines and fatigue. Gently apply to cleanse skin from the eye's inner corner along the orbital bone to the brows. Vitamin A, which is retinol, helps regenerate the under eye area, while moisturising hyaluronic acid replumps the skin. So I think that's another really good box. I am happy with everything in this box. I'm particularly excited by the Figs and Rouge eye mask, by the 8 Greens supplement, by the Spa product, by the Pixie product. It's a good box for me. Let me know what you thought. Okay, so let's do the last box, the May box. So that is called the Spring into Skin Edit. And here's what's inside. So we get the Grum Turmeric and Tea Tree Oil Facial Cleanser Bar, because Grum tend to make a lot of like bar products. It's a full size worth £12. We then get the Nip and Fab Glycolic Fixed Scrub 75 ml worth £12.95. Nip and Fab products are actually very, very good for the price point. I have had some really great effects from a lot of their products. I've done a couple of videos actually with Nip and Fab, and their products are really, really good. We then get a product from Balance Me. It's their Tri-Molecular Hyaluronic Serum, which is 30ml worth £33. We get the Aroma Active Laboratories Repair Cream Light, 15ml worth £6. And finally, the Dr. Lip BFF Face and Body Skincare, 75ml worth £19.99. So it looks like another good box. I'm particularly looking forward to that Dr. Lip product. I've had a lot of success with their kind of lanolin based lip balms and things, so I'm excited to have a kind of multi-use cream product. Well, it's not cream, it's like a, well, whatever it is, it sounds good. And I'm also looking forward to the Nip and Fab product. Like I said, their products are great. The Balance Me serum sounds good. It all sounds quite interesting, I must say. Let me know if you'd still like to see a full-on unboxing of the May box when it arrives. It hasn't arrived yet. Like I said, I buy these boxes myself. Who knows when they're going to arrive? So anyway, I hope this has helped you to decide whether the OK Beauty box is worth considering for yourself. I think for the price point, it's really good value. Any discount codes I can find, links, all that stuff will be under the video if you do want to go ahead and sign up. But let me know if you're a member or if you're thinking of signing up and what you think of this subscription. So I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I would love it if you give it a thumbs up. It lets me know you're enjoying the content I'm producing. And I'd love it if you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to be notified when my next video goes live. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.